Hi, welcome to another insightful content on Credly. First, there's a question. Do you need to learn how to bring badges from your work, school, or another personal email associated Credly account to your primary personal Credly account? If you have that question, then you are in the right place. To bring the badges from one Credly account to another, we have to merge those accounts. In that case, we have to merge the account from which we want to transfer badges into our primary personal Credly account. So that without any further discussions, let's get started. This is my IFS email associated Credly account. In here, you can see that I have a one badge IFS Cloud New Software Engineer program, which is the badge I need to transfer to my primary personal Credly account. So reason for doing this is once I leave the IFS, I won't be able to access IFS email. So before I'm leaving, I will be transferring this badge to my personal Credly account. So keep in mind that if you also have badges in work or school email associated Credly accounts, it's better to transfer those to your personal Credly account. To transfer the badges in this account, I'll sign out from this account and sign into my primary personal Credly account. Sign in with Google. Previously, I haven't created the Credly account using my primary email, so I will now create it. So let's go to the settings and do the merging process. So there's a topic called merge. So under each seller you can import badges and email addresses from another account you have created. So I will create this merge an account link, and then I have to enter the email of my IFS account and the password. So I will enter it. Once I enter, I will click next. So it's called that email or password is wrong. So let's try again, type in the password. So now it's okay, and it's still that we send you an email to confirm the account you would like to merge. So there's an confirm authorization code in my IFS account, so I will enter it. It's not just like an pin, it's having it as a little bit longer. So once I have entered the authorization code, I will click confirm. It's telling that accepted one batch. So in here there's a message called once the merge process is complete, you will no longer be able to access the account. So it's okay. So I will click merge accounts. The account has been successfully merged. So return to account, and it's showing that the IFS account has added. So let's see my profile, and that badge is successfully added to my personal account. So in this way you also can do the account merging process and bring the badges in other Credly accounts to your personal account. So I hope you understood that how to bring badges from any of the Credly accounts to your primary account. So let me see whether it's showing in the dashboard as well. Yeah, so it's now visible in my primary account. This is not my IFS account, this is my primary account. So I hope you understood how to merge the account. So thank you, bye.